Hi, once again back to my channel. Welcome back to another content. My name is Shishir. I'm from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Today I will teach you some kind of strong word about speaking English, and don't use this kind of similar words because these words will fall in your English. So you must have avoid this kind of similar words and this kind of very common words like very big, very good, very bad, very sad. You don't have to use this kind of similar words day by day, month by month, even after year by year. So you must have said this kind of alternative words like that. Don't use very bad. Don't use very bad. This boy is very bad. You must have use she is very, she is terrible, she is awful, she is dreadful. You can use this kind of words. Don't use very good. Use excellent, amazing, outstanding, superb. Don't use very happy. Use thrilled, ecstatic, and overjoyed. Don't use very sad. Use heartbroken, miserable, and devastated. Don't use very fast. Use rapid, swift. You must have used this kind of words because this word is worldwide recognized and every native speaker use this kind of words. So if you want to more fluent and competent your English, you must use this kind of words, and you must have skip this kind of similar words and this kind of easy words, because if you want know English but there is no one can't speak English with fluently and competently like native speaker, like very slow. You must have skip this kind of word very slow. You can use sluggish, delayed, and lethargic. So you must have avoid this kind of words for if you want to more native speaker like about English, like remarkable. This is a very native speaker. Today Bangladesh cricket team performance is remarkable. Don't use very good. You must have used remarkable or amazing or fantastic, outstanding. Like very bad, you can say don't use she is very bad boy. You can use she is very awful boy. So please avoid this boy. You can use this kind of word. So thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content. I can't follow my this content. See you soon with another content.